Hello mga kapartner! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Marriott Hotel upang dumalo sa 43rd Agora Awards. Hayan natin kung bakit narito ang Global Dominion.
Let me congratulate the winner for the outstanding achievement for entrepreneurship large scale, being presented to Miss Patricia Pocong Palacios of Global Dominion Connect.
We count ourselves privileged to be able to practice our purpose, to ignite and accelerate the growth of people and organizations to transform lives for the better.